Fastest way to report without logging in Geico. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Geico's website. In the website, scroll down and click on File or Claim at the bottom. After you click on File or Claim at the bottom here, Report an Incident, simply click on it. After you click on Report an Incident, it will lead you to this page here. Or fastest way, you can click on I am someone not listed here. After you click on I'm not someone, it will give you a number at the top. You can call this number as soon as possible and they will pick up and you can report a claim. Or if you already have an account, you can also do I'm insured, add your policy number, first name, last name, press on continue, and after you do that, you will be able to add your claims descriptions and submit. And these are the fastest way to report without logging in Geico. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.